Good morning, children. Today we shall learn lesson Don't be afraid of the dark. This is poem. Look at this, children. Yes, the poem goes like this. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight have never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Children, in this poem, the poet says, "Don't be afraid of the dark, little one." ऐ छोटे बच्चों, तुम्हें अंधेरे से बिल्कुल नहीं डरना चाहिए। द अर्थ मस्ट रेस्ट व्हेन द डे इज डन, क्योंकि जब दिन पूरा हो जाता है, उस समय जब शाम होती है, तो धरती को भी थोड़ा आराम मिलना चाहिए। द सन मस्ट बी हार्श, सूर्य बहुत कठोर और बहुत निर्दयी हो सकता है, बट मून लाइट नेवर, लेकिन बच्चों रात चंद्रमा की जो रोशनी होती है वो कभी नहीं होती, वो हमेशा शांत रहती है। एंड दोज स्टार्स विल बी शाइनिंग फॉर एवर एंड एवर, और जो तारे हैं, जो सितारे हैं, वो हमेशा चमकते रहते हैं और हमेशा चमकते रहते हैं। बी फ्रेंड्स विद द नाइट, बच्चों हमें रात के साथ भी दोस्ती करनी चाहिए, फ्रेंडशिप करनी चाहिए। देयर इज नथिंग टू फियर, और डरने की कोई बात नहीं है। जस्ट लेट योर थॉट्स ट्रेवल टू फ्रेंड्स फार एंड नियर, अपने विचारों को उन्मुक्त बिल्कुल यात्रा करने दो, और अपने जो तुम्हारे दोस्त जो पास में रहते हैं या तुमसे बहुत दूर हैं, उनके बारे में सोचना शुरू कर दो, उनके बारे में आप सोचिए। बाय डे इट डज सीम दैट आवर ट्रबल्स वोंट सीज, बच्चों जब दिन रहता है तो हमारी परेशानियों का कोई अंत नहीं होता, हमारी परेशानियां खत्म नहीं होती। बट एट नाइट, लेकिन रात के समय, लेट एट नाइट, और थोड़ी और ज़्यादा रात के समय, द वर्ल्ड इज एट पीस, पूरा संसार शांत हो जाता है, और उस समय हम अपने दोस्तों से कल्पना लोक में अपने दोस्तों से हम बात कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो दोस्त हमारे दूर हो चाहे पास हो। Now children, in this poem some difficult words are there: afraid, dark, rest, harsh, forever, troubles, cease. Children, afraid means to be frightened, dark means absence of light, rest is taking rest, harsh means cruel, and forever means always, troubles means difficulties, and cease means disappear, to disappear. Yes. Now children, what is the poem about? The poem is about the darkness. What happens when the day is over? When the day is over, it becomes dark. What does the earth do when the day is over? The earth takes rest, children. What does the poet want us to do at night? The poet says that let your thought travel to your friends far and near. Now children, this is a section here. Are these sentences true or false? Here there are so many sentences, and you have to tell whether those sentences are true or false. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. This is false. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. True. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. True. Now word building. Moon, you have to join the two words and make one meaningful word, children. Moon plus light is moonlight. Good plus night is good night. Water plus fall is waterfall. Break plus fast is breakfast. Day plus break is daybreak. Rain plus bow is rainbow. Find a word in the poem which is the opposite of. Children, there are some words are given there, and you have to tell the opposite of those words. Like war, opposite is peace. Enemies, friends. Gentle, wicked. Light, dark. Night, day, start, finish. Children, the poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer, author of the British descent. He lives with his adopted family in land of Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children literature in India. Now children, exercise 2. Look at these words in the poem don't, won't. Here are their full forms: don't, do not, won't, will not. Now write the full forms of the following words: didn't, did not, shouldn't, should not, wouldn't, would not, couldn't, could not, mustn't, must not. Let's talk. Are you afraid of the dark, children? Why? No, we don't afraid of the dark. What do you do when it is dark? Yes, we sing a song when it is dark. Have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. You can discuss to your partner. If you are frightened in the darkness, then you can share your experience to your partners. Now say aloud, children. What is the word that starts with T, rhymes with C's, and means to playfully make fun of? The word is tease. C's, tease. What is the word that starts with C, rhymes with near and fear, and means easy to see, hear and understand? The word which rhymes with near is clear. Now say T, T, T. Where does the tip of the tongue touch? Listen and repeat. C-A-T, cat. Did you hear what your tongue did? Say these words and feel what your tongue does when you say toe, top, tie, ten. There are some other words like time, tease, turn, tell, talk. Work in pair. Make the cuff sound, ka sound. From where the words from where you experience ka sound, cuff sound. That is, I came down, I caught, I cuffed, ka 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 ka, and cuffed again, ka 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 ka. There are so many words which have cuff sound like caught, kite, come, can, cub, cut, cool, etc. Now children, did you hear the K sound at the end of the word book? You say book, there is K sound in the end of the sentence. Word. Like book, look, neck, duck, chick, sack, clock. Shook, chook, block, rock, cook. These are K sound word at the end of the word. Now children, all these words start with the same sound, like kangaroo, key, curtain, kind, king, kitten. You can say some more words like kitchen, cook, kite, kick, cut, come, cat, cool. These are K sounds. Now there, yes, teen time. Divide the class into 4 groups. Children, you can divide yourself in 4 groups. If you are in home, you divide in with your siblings. Make a group. Imagine life without the sun. What will you imagine when there is no sun? There will become dark everywhere. Now, what are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? Children, we are unable to see things clearly when there is no sunlight. We feel very uneasy. We guess the things and only by touching them or talk and walking. Yes, we can feel the things only. Yes, discuss with your brothers and sisters and write your ideas in your notebook. Now, children, there are some cups are given here. Yes, we have to let's write. The red teacups are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacups with similar sounding words. Children, you have to write down similar sounding words. Note the example given, like two, TOO2, TWO2, ONE1, WON1, DEER dear, DEAR dear, SUN sun, and SUN sun. Meanings are different, children, but they sounds alike. Now complete the following sentences choosing the right word. One is, the sum was too difficult for the class to solve. Only 2 students could do it. Then second one is, there was only one boy who won the prize. So we are using both type of words having same sound. The golden deer was very dear to him. Ramu's son loved to play in the sun. Now, relax your feet, legs and entire body. Be as quiet as you can. Listen to the sounds around you. Tell your partner softly that you heard and ask, what did you hear? Let your partner talk about or copy those sounds. Read out the following phrases aloud. Divide them into loud and softer sounds. Children, there are so many phrases. I am reading those phrases. Clapping hands, a worm moving, stamping feet, a bud blooming, a butterfly flying, a feather dropping, an ant walking, a car moving, the wind blowing, shh, whisper, tiptoe, a leaf falling. Now children, you have to classify these phrases into loud sounds and softer sounds. First of all, I am telling you the loud sounds like clapping hands, stamping feet, a car moving. Then softer sound, a worm moving, a bud blooming, a butterfly flying, a feather dropping, an ant walking, the wind blowing, whisper, tiptoe, a leaf falling. Now children, there is a poem and read it. I am reading it, you listen. Don't give up. If you keep on going and never stop, you can